restoring my inner power. I wonder if everything that is within me that is blocking my full power from being available can be allowed to be for a moment, just as it is. I wonder, can it be completely allowed to be within me, just as it is? I wonder, is there even greater allowance that could be given to whatever is blocking me? That even it could stay, if it needed, for as long as was needed, in complete allowance. I wonder what the greatest allowance would feel like to offer this to whatever is within me, blocking my power. I wonder if there is an infinite allowance, an infinite unconditional allowance that can be given to this, whatever it is, blocking my full power from being available. Infinite, unconditional allowance, divine mercy. Divine mercy be upon me, and whatever is within me that is blocking my full power from being available. Love, compassion, and mercy be on me and whatever has been blocking me from my full power. Mercy, mercy, mercy. I breathe and bathe in mercy and allow the unraveling to begin. The unraveling, the release, the letting go. Divine mercy, bathe my being and all that is within me that needs to be there, that remains, that is blocking me from my full power. May all be completely allowed. I wonder, can there be an even greater expansion? An expansion that allows all to be free within it, free to move, free to feel, free to release, free to stretch, free to unravel. Mercy, infinite mercy and infinite space for all to be in love with compassion. As the releasing begins to unravel, to untangle, to work its way down and through, down through the belly, down through the hips, down and into the legs, releasing, untangling, flowing, finding its way to flow down to the knees, down to the feet, down, 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 down and out into the ground. Infinite mercy and infinite space, an ocean of love with compassion and infinite mercy, allowing all to be, allowing all to flow, to release, allowing freedom, space and lightness to enter the new space in the solar plexus, the new space in the belly, the new space in the hips and the legs, the new open, wide space of lightness and freedom. Welcome the restoration of power. Power. Full power to be. Full power to be free. Full power to act. Full power to feel good and light again. Thank God for this mercy, for this expansion, for this new lightness, for this new energy, for this new space inside, free from all that was weighing it down. Now we can dance. Now we can dance and move. We can feel free and feel happy once again. And what to do with all this new energy? Now that is another question.